I can't just start my job up immediately.
No. Sir. Dude, you're fucking tall, though. Seriously.
Can I water your bucket? No?
Back up. Hey, girl. Right back. Right. No.
You're mean though. You're mean. Hi. Oh.
Right, you need to stop doing this. Don't do it, Arrow. Hey, you little prick.
You be a good boy? No. Guess I didn't.